just in
Go.
case.
Technology is a key part of our everyday life. We use technology all the time, and to improve our lives. And I am going to be talking about the automatic garage door today. What is the purpose of the garage door? The purpose of the garage door is that you ensure your items are kept safe and only open using a control that you have. What is the design of an automatic garage door? A garage door has a set of hinges inside which are controlled by a small motor on the inside which cause them to move, making the garage door open and close. The engine is wired to a remote control that we keep on our person so we can control the door when the door opens and closes. The attributes is the time saving that the garage door can provide instead of going to open the garage door by hand, whereas you can just click the button, drive straight in and don't have to worry about it. That comes up in segments in order to protect things in front of it. Has an automatic light which turns on when the garage door opens so that you can make a safe decisions. Provided a more secure option that's getting in and out of your car on the street. It protects your car from UV damage, vandalism and potential hazards. The functions of the garage door are an automatic garage door has a set of hinges which are controlled by a small motor inside which causes them to move, making the garage door open and close. This engine is wired to a remote control which we keep on our personal so we can control when the door opens and closes. Aesthetics. The garage door is designed to look pleasing and on our house. The garage door aesthetics is to look like part of the home, so that does not take away from the original designs. This current garage door that I have been reviewing is covered in cedar panels to blend in with the exterior of the house. The future of the automatic garage door are to have cars recognized so there is no need for remote controls. This is also called car recognition. There will be sensors so when you drive up, the door will automatically open when your vehicle is in front of it. In the future, there will be sensory technology on the inside of the garage door to ensure your car doesn't hit any items inside of your garage. There will be leveled garages that stack your vehicle on top of each other so that you can fit even more cars in your garage more efficiently. Thank you for listening to my garage door review today.